good idea to quickly go over it and show you how I put this thing together. So first of all, I got these back shackles on. They have a new pin that goes through there. One of the shackles has a taper on the inside here that lines up with where is it? Has a taper on this one, which lines up with the taper on the pin. So that's important to get. If you have them both off, you could try to put the same one on each side. So that's no good. Anyway, I have it on there. The bolts are just finger tight because I want some flexibility when I go to put the spring on. Let's talk about these holes. What goes in them? Well, I ordered new stuff. I have these poly bushings, 2 of those and 2 of these. Getting these in these holes is very difficult. And when you do get it in, there are some issues. Let me show you. So this is the hanger, the front hanger. And this bushing fits in rather well, actually. The problem is, when you get this inside of the spring, it muffin tops. That's the word I'm going to use. The top part squishes out, and it ends up being way too long. Let me show you. I'm going to start with some lube. Always helps. Smear that around inside. And I have a piece of string. I'm going to bring that up. Hook it onto here. We're going to use that to pull it down. Get all that extra lube on there. Instead of on my finger, put it to work. There, that gets it started. And you can push it down if you're lucky. Now, as you can see, it's already out. It's already a lot longer than it started out to be. So that's not going to be any good at all when we go to put this on into the bracket. And we don't even have the metal bushing in yet. So this is going to go in. See, look at it now. By the time you get that squished in there, this is all sticking out like ½ an inch. So next step is to cut that off so it'll fit in the bracket. And this stuff is not easy to cut at all. So you want to cut it right above where that metal bushing is. So that bushing is just the width of the bracket. So in the end, that's what you get. And then that will actually fit through the bracket onto the car, and you're good to go. Easiest to get this one started, and then work on the back. Because then you could use this as a lever to get it all lined up right. Now the back here, there's enough of just wiggle. You can get it back down around here. And this bolt goes through. Before I put this in, I found that these new bolts, this part here I had to grind down a bit more. There's a bit of a lip, and when you put it in here, it would catch on there's a flat spot here that keeps it from twisting, so I've had to grind it down a bit to get it to seat all the way in.